Another week at T-Sportline and another couple more Cybertrucks that we have just finished customizing. And today we have a fresh new color to share with you. Tech Midnight Metallic Blue. Absolutely stunning. I love it. We have done this once before on some other models, Tesla, never before done on a Cybertruck. And while I'm not really a blue color kind of car or truck guy, if I had to choose one, this is my favorite. And the reason is that depending on the lighting, sometimes this truck looks black, sometimes it has a really nice deep blue kind of like hue to it. And then when the sun hits it, it definitely comes alive and you could appreciate that beautiful metallic finish that Tech is so perfect at. So we wrapped the whole exterior of the truck in this color, and then we went ahead and, as you know, what T-Sportline is very famous for is our wheels. And we are the first to market with 24-inch wheels for the Cybertruck. And this customer chose our 24-inch CTM wheels, fully forged and designed specifically for the Cybertruck and the Cybertruck only. The CTM is my favorite. And we went ahead with gloss black finish on these because we figured it would tie in really nice with the Supergloss film from Tech. What I love so much about this wheel, besides its look and how minimalistic it is, just like the Cybertruck, is a center cap assembly that actually covers all the mounting hardware. You don't see the lug nuts, you don't need lug nut covers. It's got our floating T-Sportline center cap ghosted in there behind the lens. Definitely my fave. And these 24-inch tires are a perfect fit. They look so cool on the Cybertruck. It's an all-terrain tire. This is the only tire that is available in 24-inch, properly made for the Cybertruck. So kudos to our friends at Nuys for going ahead and creating this great tire. And now, to finish it all off, as you could see, we tinted all the windows. And tinting a Cybertruck is really important because with all the glass, the massive windshield, the side windows, the roof, the rear, a lot of heat comes in. And depending on where you live and how you enjoy your Cybertruck, what you want to do is actually try to cool down the interior. And using the 3M ceramic IR tint film, that's exactly what it does. It will help cool down the interior temperature by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days, give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays, reduce glare, protect your skin, and protect your interior. All very important. Gotta tint your Cybertruck. So what do you guys think? I'd love to hear from you. Your comments are so appreciated, and I love your thoughts and opinions, good, bad, or indifferent, but I want to hear from you. What do you think about this blue color Cybertruck? Is this the right fit? Do you like another color? Once again, please put some comments below. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.